Alright guys, so I showed someone how to get Forgotten Bridge. I'm not finding the screenshot right now. Yeah. This is a screenshot. Oh, it closed chat. Let me see if he's still in game. Yeah, he's still in game. It's this guy. It's Mom's Being Cheap. I helped him get Forgotten Bridge. And also, I'm going to show you how to get Forgotten Bridge too. So, let's just leave the game and go back. Alright, Roblox. Alright. You go here. Here. You go in Jigsaw Tower. Don't worry, you don't need any rings. You just go in Jigsaw Tower. And you go in ring 1. You don't have to get ring 1.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Alright. So, yeah. So you go this way. So you go next to the viewing area. You go over here. Alright. And you go walk.
Okay, guys. I kind of ended the recording.
Alright, you go here.
And
you go here. I watched a video actually how to get Forgotten Bridge. I wanted to get where my brother was. He wasn't in Forgotten Bridge and I said, how do you get Forgotten Bridge? He said, watch a video. You go here and then you press the green button. Then you're going to Forgotten Bridge. That's Forgotten Bridge right there. And you can also see it says, next stop, Forgotten Bridge. Alright. We're going to Forgotten Bridge. Actually, it doesn't take that long. Just wait and wait and wait and wait. You can't really get off once you're in. Well, and we're in Forgotten Bridge. We're going to Forgotten. Yeah, now we're in Forgotten Bridge, alrighty. So, yeah. What you want to do is, if you beat a tower...
What's wrong with me?
Stefan, let me record.
Oh,
Let me say something and
Let me say something. I always fall asleep.
Alright, guys. So, if you beat a tower in Forgotten Bridge, it also counts in the rings. I tried it. So, I beat this tower and this tower. If I beat 2 more towers, I can get ring 3. No, I already have ring 2. Also, now that I actually deserve ring 2, let's go celebrate. Just kidding. We won't celebrate for ring 2 that I actually deserve it. Alright, if you want to know how to get to every single... If you want to get to medium towers, advanced towers, and unsafe tower, I don't know how to say the first word because I suck at reading. Shut up!
Look at this rainbow fat monkey.
You're a rainbow fat monkey.
I'm a black fat monkey.
So this is the medium towers. Now let me show you how to get the advanced towers. Right, the advanced towers. Right, I need to take a screenshot so I can remember this guy. Please. No, please say something in chat. Please don't tell me he left. No, he left. I won't remember this guy forever. I'm sad.
I'm sorry for that.
I'm sad. He left. Oh, I showed him how to get to Forgotten Bridge. That's the happiest part. Alright, here's to get the advanced towers. You go here. And here. And here.
I saw.
And then you see advanced towers. There's actually like 3 towers on here. Not much. But there's so much in the immediate towers. Let's go to the unsafe towers. Alright. I don't know how to say that. Shut the fuck up. Alright, here's what you do. You go this, and then you do that. And then you're in. Yeah. Actually, very easy. Yeah. And just your weird nuggets off. 25 floors? That's a lot of floors. Almost. By Duke Rise. Not for mobile. Nah, that sounds like a hard tower. Can't even play it. Even, oh my god. Let's go back. Alright. Now I just showed that guy how to get to unsafe towers. I don't know how to say the first word. Boom! So anyways, I only beat actually 3 towers. I beat 1 in medium towers and 2 beginner towers. Yeah, these towers are actually easy. This one is the most easy, I think. But anyways, let's go back to Jatar. You don't need to do that forever. There's actually another way how to get to Forgotten Bridge, but you need to get it. You have to do what I did before, so you can do this too. It's actually very quick. There's another way to get to Forgotten Bridge, but you have to do what I did before. Do the bridge, do like the elevator thing, and then you can do this quick way, I think. So yeah, you have to do the elevator and join the Duke Star of Hell server. You can do another thing. You can do this thing if you're done going to the elevator. Yeah, that's the end. Bye.